Hello everyone, this is Ashwini from Parthenium Projects. Today we are going to see detection of fraud apps using sentimental method. Now, what is sentimental analysis? Sentimental analysis is nothing but text analyzing. So, using this text analyzing, we are going to detect whether the app is real or fraud. Text analyzing is going to analyze the reviews, comments, ratings given by the users, those who have been using these apps. This is about the detection of fraud apps using sentimental method. Here you can see a platform. So this platform is fraud app detection. So here you can see the different menus: home, soft store, that is software store, register, and a login. Here you have categories and you have the latest software in the home screen. Next we'll see the soft store. Soft store is nothing but the software present in the store. You have different category. When you click on the category, that particular software will be appearing. Here I have pressed antivirus, so all the antivirus software will be listed out. So next comes the register. So here user need to give his basic information to register into the page. So here we are going to give the customer name, customer email ID, password, confirm his password, give his address and give his mobile number, then upload a profile picture. Next click on the register. Once it is registered, you can log in into the software. So logging is giving your email ID and password. So I'll give my login ID, I'll give the password, click on login. In login page, you have few different options. Menu here is home. In home screen, you'll get all the different categories of the software. The latest software will be displayed on the top of the home screen. Next, soft store. Here you can find all the software, whichever the category you press, that particular category apps will be listed out here. Then comes your my account. In this my account, you can either update your profile, change your password, download. You can view the different downloads that is done by you. You can give the feedback and comments, and you can view which are the reviews that you have given for the particular software. So first one is customize your profile. Whenever you want to update your profile, you can give your name or you can update your address, you can update your mobile number, update your profile picture and click on update profile. So once when it is updated, it will give successfully updated. Next is your changing the password. When you want to change the password, you need to give your old password, then press your new password, confirm your password and give change password. You can change the password here. Next is my downloads. Here you can see your downloads, which are the software you have downloaded. Next it is your feedback. My feedback and comments. You can see your comments that you have given for the particular software. So this is about the user panel. So this is the user panel. Now I'm going to the admin panel. So let me log into the admin panel. I'll give the admin ID, password and login. So this is a admin panel. Here you can see the menu of home screen. This is the home screen where you can see the categories and latest software. This is the soft store. Next it is dashboard. So in dashboard you have category records. The first option is category records. Here you can add category or view the categories that is present in your database. So here you can see the category of gaming, ER products, antivirus. These are the different categories. These are the images. You can see it in detail in the next option. Next, it is a description and status, whether it is active or inactive. If you want to change the action, you can either edit or delete that particular software. This is about viewing the category. If you want to add the category for the present database, you have to give the category here. You need to upload the image. You need to description of the software. Then you need to give the status. Then press submit. You can see that you can add that particular software category. Next is the software or app records. Here you can add the software and also view the different software present in the database. So software adding is nothing but here you need to add the product name, category you need to press, then you need to give the product detail description, then you need to give the icon, then you need to browse the different images here, 4 images, then you are going to link the download link, then you are going to give the software type, then status, then give submit. You are going to add your software here. So this is about adding the software. Next, you can view the different software present in your database. So here you can see the icon, category, software name, description of the software type, whether it is active or not, you can see it here. If you want to change anything, you can change. This is about the viewing the list of software that is present in the database. So next is downloads. Here you can see the viewers of download. So here you can see which software has been downloaded by which customer and date and time of the download. So here you can see the view downloads. The last option is view customers. You can see how many customers has been registered in your websites. So here these are the few registered records where their images is present here, name, address, phone number and email ID is given. So when you want to delete any of the user, you can directly delete it here. So this is about the viewing of the customer. This is about the admin panel. These are the different options given for the admin. Now I'm going to log out of the admin section. This is about a project. If you need any customization, we are going to do the customization. For the further details, the details are given in the description box. If you like this video, please like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.